Well, welcome back, Minecraft peeps. This is Roman Lenny slash Ethan Jameer. How are you guys doing? So, I just spawned in a village, as you can see. I hope it has a blacksmith. So,
Where's the blacksmith?
Alright, so I'm gonna gather some weed. Met wheat. I should probably get this tree as well. Where's the blacksmith? Oh, that was weird. There's a blacksmith. There's a blacksmith right there. But not the blacksmith house. I haven't found that yet. I wonder why they call blacksmiths blacksmiths. Is it because they're when they're in the forest they turn black or something? Oh, I think one of my computer just told me it was because of it was because of the smoke. Villagers! Villagers! Oh, my computer has an attitude. My new computer has a very poor attitude. Okay, I'm stuck. As you can see, guys, I have a very bad computer. A little Greek mythology fact. Zeus was the youngest. I do not know why there's dirt in here. I'm probably gonna live here for a while. But I might venture out. I might live here. I think this is the patrol tower. Oh shit. Am I here? And then we're gonna go up here. There's no blacksmith! Hey, but there's a cave over there. I'll go adventure that. Where's the blacksmith? Okay. I'm tree jumping. You know what? I have a better chance over here. To get over there. Woo! Oh, I actually made it! Oh! Oh, no. I actually made it. I actually made it. Yeah. I made that tree jumper. I'm a tree jumper. I make that tree jumpy. And I jumping on the wall. So you always gotta mind these, cause you gotta cut down these trees, and I gotta cut down the trees, and that's not what I meant. And I gotta cut down the trees, and I'm cutting down these trees. I'm boss, I'll cut down these trees. I'm cutting down the trees, I'm cutting down the trees. I'm gonna take it back to my village and probably make a pickaxe. Cut down the trees, and I'm cutting down the trees. Cutting down the trees, and cutting down the trees. Right. In the comments, if you want me to go mining next episode, just put the word mining. If you want me to go venture away from the village because there's no blacksmith. There's nothing to collect. So, well, you have this nice waterfall here. Pretty nice. Pretty lit.
Why is it? You was just standing there to take the time sheets. No. So I have to take it. And then no, she can't take it.
It's literally 7:40 right now. Alright, so I'll see you guys later, and bye.